crew. Start taking the hurdles off the track on the backstretch. Get the starting blocks to the starting line. Fountain Valley, Los Alamitos, running 1-2. Fountain Valley, Los Alamitos. Fountain Valley, Los Alamitos. 39.74, 40.05 for Rubio. Hurdle crew, we need the hurdles off the track.